How do we randomly select an item from a Python list? We can do this by using the choice function from the random module. So let's import from random, import the function choice. Now let's create a list of 5 numbers. Now we are going to exclude the choice function and we are going to pass this list as the input parameter. We're capturing the result in the result variable and then we are going to print this result. So I executed this code and I got 1. Let me re-execute it. This time I got 2. Again 1, 2, 5, 3, 2, 4. So every single time I execute this code, I am getting randomly one element from this list.